If you have seen the best entry signal videos on the main TradeSmart channel, you probably know that the super trend indicator came out to be the best one overall. So for this video, I decided to use the super trend indicator only to create a simple TradingView strategy script with the help of ChatGPT. Once I got the script, I optimized the strategy for two assets, the US30 index and Bitcoin. And well, I got great results. In this video, I will explain the full strategy, show you my optimized settings and show you the backtest results for the last 4 years. And the best part, I will share the full strategy source code for free. Hello everyone and welcome to TradeSmart AI. Without wasting any time, let's get right into it. Okay, for this strategy, first open up TradingView and set up the BTC USDT 30-minute chart. Once you got that, let's set our indicators. As I said, this strategy is a very simple strategy and it only uses the super trend indicator. So type in super trend and add this one to your chart 3 times. I optimized the strategy both for the BTC USDT and for the US30 index. First, let's see the BTC USDT settings. To set up the BTC USDT optimization, open up the first super trend, change its period to 130 and its multiplier to 12. Then open up the second super trend, change its length to 40 and the ATR multiplier to 3. And finally open up the third fastest moving super trend, set its ATR period to 36 and the multiplier to 2.5. Then go to the styles tab and change the uptrend and the downtrend color to whatever you like. In this case, I use the white for the uptrend and yellow for the downtrend. This way we can easily see which one is the fastest moving super trend out of the 3. Taking a quick look at the strategy script I coded, this is how it looks like. You can set up all the 3 super trend settings here. Then you also have a risk to reward ratio settings, which will be your take profit level. And you can choose which direction you want the script to trade. You can choose from long only, short only, or both. For Bitcoin and for good, strong performing indexes, long only is the way to go. And this optimization is also long only. So now let's see the rules for valid long entry signal. And here we have a valid long entry signal. For a valid long entry, first we need the slowest moving super trend, which we set up first, to be green. You can see that on the bottom and it is green. Then we need the middle length super trend indicator, which is this green one, to be also green. And finally for the entry, we need the fastest reacting super trend indicator to switch from red to green. This white one is the fastest moving one and it just switched to green right there. So with that, all of the rules are met for a valid long entry and we can enter into a position at the close of the signal candle or at the open of the next candle. With TradingView scripts, the script will always enter at the open of the next candle. The stop loss will be placed at the fastest moving super trend indicator, which will be right there, and it will stay there throughout the whole trade. Now here's a quick tip. If you have some experience with coding with ChatGPT, I would highly recommend to try and modify the script and make this super trend a trading stop loss. But this time we will stick with a fixed stop loss level. And the take profit level will be at a 1:4 risk to reward ratio level. And that will be around here. Now let's see how this trade plays out. At the beginning it was trending sideways. It even got to a bit of drawdown. But in the end, the take profit level was hit right there. So this is a valid long entry signal. And as you can see, the script entered right there and exited there. Now, before showing you the backtest results, let me show you how you can get access to this script and add it to your chart. To get this script for free, I left a Google Drive link down in the description and in the comment section too, where you can download the full code for free. Once you got that code, just head over to TradingView, open up the Pine editor right here at the bottom, click on Open, then New Strategy, highlight everything here, paste the strategy code right there, and once you got that, just click on the Add to Chart button. This way, if you've done everything correctly, you will see the script right here. Now let's see the backtest results for the BTC USDT 30-minute chart optimization. These are the values I am using. In the Properties tab, I am using a $10,000 capital with a $22,000 USD per trade, a 0.1% commission, and 2 tick slippage. And here are the backtest results. The start date is set to 2020, the 1st of March, and the end date is 2024, the 1st of March. So this is a 4-year backtesting time interval. During this period, this strategy optimization took 138 trades, generated 315% net profit, with a 29% win rate, 1.6 profit factor, and 25% maximum drawdown. Now comparing it to the buy and hold, the buy and hold actually outperforms this strategy, but from a simple strategy like this one, this is the best results I could get. Although, as always, it is worth mentioning that Bitcoin can easily have a 60 to 80% drawdown like this one, while this strategy managed to avoid those big drawdowns and trended steadily up. Okay, so these are the optimization range backtest results, but how does it perform after the optimization date? Let's take a look. I will set the end date to the 1st of September and the start date to 2024, the 1st of March. And here are the after optimization backtest results. During these 6 months, we got 13 trades, which may be a bit low for a few of you, but in my view, using many strategies with low trade counts will generate you a good higher number of trades, and those trades probably will be higher quality. The script generated 43% net profit, with 38% win rate, 2.4 profit factor, and 16% maximum drawdown. These results are totally fine for me. What I don't like is that it was trending pretty much sideways for about 2 months and only started to generate profits at the end. But if you take a look on the buy and hold equity curve, it is also trending sideways, which is not an easy environment to trade in. Now let's see the performance on lower and higher time frames. I will set back the backtesting time interval to the original optimization range. And first, let's see the 15 minute. On the 15 minute, technically this strategy is profitable, but there is no way I would trade something with this equity curve. It also has a huge drawdown, a pretty moderate net profit for the 4-year period, and just 1.1 profit factor. But it's always good to see that the strategy optimization performs on either lower and higher time frames. And on the 10 minute, it is now absolutely destroyed, so let's take a look on the higher time frame. On the 1 hour, it is profitable. However, just like with the 15 minute, I wouldn't trade this one, as it has a very long sideways period, and compared to the buy and hold, it is not worth trading. Now let's take a look on the US 30 optimization. For the US 30, I used the 15 minute chart, and here are the optimization parameters. For the slow moving super trend, I used a 180 length and a 12 multiplier. For the middle length, I used a 60 length and a 3.5 multiplier. And for the fast moving one, I used the 50 length and the 4 multiplier. For the take profit level, we are using a 1:5 risk to reward ratio. And this one is also limited to longs only. For the backtest, I'm using a $10,000 capital with a $50,000 order size on each trade, a 3 USD per contract commission, and 40 tick slippage. Now let's see the results. I'm using the same 4-year time interval for the backtest, and here are the results. During this period, this script took 125 trades, generated 284% net profit with 25.6% win rate, 1.9 profit factor, and 26% maximum drawdown. These results are great. I know the trade count is again a bit low, but these were the best results I could get from the optimization. Looking at the equity curve, we can see a steadily uptrending, nice equity curve without huge pullbacks. What about the after optimization backtest results? For that, I will change the start date to 2024, 1st of March, and the end date to 2024, the 1st of September. And these results are absolutely fantastic. During this last 6 months, which was not in the optimization range, this script took 22 trades, made 48% net profit with a 36% win rate, 2.5 profit factor, and 9% maximum drawdown. Let's quickly take a look on the lower and higher time frames. I will set back the backtesting time interval to the optimization range, and let's see the 10 minute first. On the 10 minute, it is profitable, but just like with the Bitcoin optimization, it is trending sideways, so I wouldn't trade this one. What about the 5 minute? It will be probably losing, but let's take a look. Well, actually it managed to get a break-even result, but it is clear that it's not worth trading on the 5 minute. What about the 30 minute chart? On the 30 minute, it is profitable, but again, it is just trending sideways starting from here. Well, those are the 2 optimizations I made for this strategy. To close out this video, let's see where this 2 strategy optimization ranks on the strategy ranking spreadsheet. And here is the strategy ranking spreadsheet. And today's strategy, the triple super trend strategy, got placed at the 16th and the 18th place. The BTC USDT 30 minute version is the 16th, and the US 30 15-minute version is the 18th. In the spreadsheet you can find all the details of the backtest, like the fee rates, position sizing, trade count, net profit, profit factor, and so on. And at the end I will link this YouTube video to this strategy and will link the script download link right there. You can find the strategy ranking spreadsheet linked down in the description. And that wraps up today's video. Let me know what you think of this strategy and feel free to send me any strategy in the comment section you want to see coded, backtested and optimized. If you want to support my work and get access to my best, highly customizable strategy scripts and optimizations, check out my Patreon and become a Smart Trader tier member. As always, thank you all for watching, have an amazing day, and until next time, trade smart.